In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix KeyBank mobile banking app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, toggle on for the option airplane mode and wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, launch settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find KeyBank and launch it. Now you'll need to click on the option Offload App, confirm it. This will clear cache for the app, then click on Reinstall. Next up, check for app update. For that, close this, launch your app store, search for the app KeyBank. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as older versions can cause loading and login issues. Next up, check if your device is connected to VPN. For that, launch your control center. Make sure you have toggle off for the option VPN. In case it is enabled, disable it. Next up, check for your device software update. Go to General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Banking apps work best on the latest supported iOS version, and outdated software can cause crashes or login failures. And finally, if nothing works, it could be a temporary server issue or maintenance, so try again later or contact KeyBank support for help. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix KeyBank mobile banking app not working on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.